Hi guys, I hope you all are doing well. You will need an envelope or a paper, wax sticks, a burning candle and the stamp. Start by lighting the wax stick. There are two types of wax sticks, one with a wick and without a wick. I am using the one with the wick here. Rotate the wax stick for better application of the wax. Keep the stick aside once you are done placing the right amount. Place the stamp on it and wait for few seconds. Here I am repeating the process using a different color wax stick. You can use the wax stick to spread the wax evenly. Again place the stamp on it and you are done. Please remember, this is a therapeutic process, so take your time and enjoy. Thank you for watching and see you in the next how-to video. Bye bye.